Welcome back to Fresh. It's time to rock your world. We are Shepherd's Rain, and this is our world. Testing! 1, 2, 3!
Yeah, that sounds good.
Over his flock. Yeah, I don't know. It's like, I just like the idea of a shepherd having his, the sheep that he looks after, or his flock. And then for us, it's like a reign of shepherds. We have our own flock, which could include our own fans, our family, our friends individually. And then together we're just the whole, we just reign on the world, really. Well, that's what we're trying to do.
Right now we're at Orere Point. We're just at a family place of ours. So there's a place we come to chill out, come out here sometimes write some music, and just to relax, feel good. My night job is Shepherd's Rain. During the day, I work as a music teacher at Manu High School. So that's a job I really enjoy. Get to work in the community I was brought up in. Everyone here, we into different types of music, and we still love doing all different things. But for this particular Shepherd's Rain, we come together to do the metal music.
It's always the buzz and the drive. It's sort of, I don't know.
It's that high energy factor.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that thing. It takes me somewhere else. And it almost takes you to another level, and it allows me to express how I'm feeling any way I want. For different genres, there's a limit. With metal, there is no limit. You can go as hard as you want, you can scream as loud as you want, and that's what I love about it.
Let me tell you about someone I know, tough as hell and afraid of no one else.
We all contribute to the music quite evenly, if you might put it. I do drums. I also write a bit of bass and guitar, but not a lot of it. Joe does a lot of the bass playing as well for recording and performing. Gideon writes a lot of guitars as well as Oliver. And Billy takes care of all our vocals and our lyric writing, and he does a solid job of it.
We got a song called Concrete Walls. And that song, I wrote that behind concrete walls. I used to be a correction officer. Well, I was thinking one night, man, what if I was a prisoner? And so I just read about myself being a prisoner. And that's how I came with the lyrics for Concrete Walls.
Locked in this hell of a cell, nowhere to run. It's messing with my mind. Gone blind.
We just found out today we got an NZ on their singles grant. So that's something we've actually applied heaps of times, but this is the first time we've got it in one of their sort of mainstream singles grants. And we're real happy that we've got it with Le Manu, which is a song that's in Samoa. So this is a great opportunity, It's a really big opportunity for us to show one of our original songs, which really demonstrates what we're about.
The idea, though, we had a long time. We came across a point where we were like, man, it would be pretty good to do a song in our own language. Yeah, still, 10 years ago, up until now, it's still the same reaction. Why you gotta scream like that? Why can't you sing properly? It's a bit hard for us islanders, our island parents, to understand, but at least they love it when they see my face on TV. And they're like, oh yeah, keep going. They're like, oh, well, as long as I see your face on TV, yeah, you're all right.